What about your undergraduate?
Sir, I did my graduation from the same university, that is Meerut University, but with the three subjects that I you can say in that my graduation. That is, sir, first is English, second is economics, and third is, sir, TTM, Travel and Tourism Management.
Oh, okay.
Right, sir.
All right. So tell me about travel and tourism management.
Okay. Okay. So that is a subject that tells you about that give you the, you can say, just the tell you about the travel destinations, about the hotels, restaurants, and different pilgrims and everything that so that is, you can say, hotel industry is a very big one, and now tourism is really overgrowing, or you can say is really upgrading, as many tourists from the foreigners, and you can say from India to many going to the foreign. So that tourism industry is really upgrading very well in today's scenario. Yeah.
Well, my wife and I, we are from the United States, but right now we live in Costa Rica.
Okay.
So Costa Rica is a very large tourism country. So
Okay.
we're very familiar with tourism and the restaurants and the little shops and the beaches and stuff like that. So it's a pretty neat thing to learn. So how do you prepare? You say your preparations. What are you doing to prepare for the common sector?
Sir, actually, preparations. So there are two papers that you have to qualify. First is the pre paper. That is, you can say, in that paper there are you can say 4 to 5 subjects are coming in that paper. That is English, English, Hindi, and reasoning, sir, reasoning on computer, and yes, sir, like, sir, math. So that is, sir, pre that you have to qualify that paper. And sir, the B part is of your subjective. That is, the subject that you are want to become in that. Like, I want to become an economics teacher. So my B part is of, you can say, the economic subject. So I get the
Okay.
100 question from that, you can say, from that subject, economic subject.
Okay. So you want to be a high school teacher or a college professor, or do you want to teach?
Intermediate, sir, intermediate school, that is from economics is taught to the students of ninth to 12th class, sir.
Okay. Okay.